Alright, hello guys, and welcome to my Math and Science Technology app review for CAT 250. My name is Caleb Brown, and the app I've chosen to go over is called Motion Math. During this video, I will go over 5 things. I've just given you my name, it's Caleb Brown. And second, I'll give you the URL of the app. 3, I will demonstrate how the app works. 4, I'll give you a short little summary or overview of the app. And then 5, I'm going to tell you how you might use this app in a classroom. So if you see me looking down or looking off to the side, it's because I've made a few notes I want to touch over during this video. And let's get right to it. So you'll see the URL of the app right here if you want to screenshot it or something. It's http //itunes.apple.com/us/app/motion-math. So one more time, that's http://itunes.apple.com/us/app/motion-math. Okay, so that's the URL for the app. You can go there and check out all the good stuff that's going on with the app. Alright, so let's now demonstrate how the app would work. So you can go download the app on iTunes for $1.99. I know it kind of stinks when an app costs money, but in this case you're getting a great app, so $1.99 is kind of a bargain for a good math app. So go in, it's $1.99 on iTunes. Once you download the app, you can kind of go several different directions. It has a login for students, teachers, and administrators. Okay, so administrators would also, obviously have access to everything on the app. Teachers would have access to almost everything, and then the students will have access to mostly games and math fractions and math questions and all kinds of stuff like that. So once the students are logged in, they can kind of learn the toughest K through 6 concepts, which are not very tough. They're still going to be basic math curriculum, but it's going to be stuff like fractions and multiplication, division, adding and subtracting, that kind of stuff like that. They do that through fun math games. So I saw, like, on the app, for instance, it had a ruler, and it had an animal, which in this case was a frog. And they had the frog, you could kind of make it larger, and as it went, you had to measure out how much bigger you were making it. So you'd take, like, the original size of the frog and then the new size of the frog, and you'd say what was the difference, which is obviously subtraction, or something like that. And or you could turn it into a fraction. So say it was 5.5 inches long. Excuse me. If it was 5.5 inches long, then you would put 5 and 1/2, or 6/12, or something like that. And that's kind of a little basic game that you could play on there. It also has different levels for basic and advanced level students. So if you have students that are in enrichment or in gifted, they can go in there and they still can have games that are challenging to them. It's not just super basic stuff. You can always kind of add a difficulty level as you go on, and that kind of helps you and teachers as you get later on in the year and students start to grasp the concept. So now I'm going to give you a short little summary of the app. It's rated 4 out of 5 stars. It's loved by children of ages 7 to 17. Motion Math gives learners a physical experience of numbers and an intuitive feeling for fractions. Download the app and put action into fractions. So that's kind of their little slogan. It's a little funny, but it's called, put action into fractions. So they're kind of hitting on the fractions thing there. And then now lastly, we'll go over how you might use it in a classroom. I would use this as like a reward. You could either use it for the last 5 or 10 minutes of class daily, or you could use it as like a 45-minute to 50-minute reward on a Friday. I'll say that it is for a reward because it is games, and they are fun games, and although they are educational, they are still games, so I would use, if you had like Chromebooks or you had 4 or 5 of those in a classroom, or laptop, some sort of laptop in a classroom. Students that are really grasping the concept, or got their homework done early, or are doing really well in class, you could kind of give it to them as a reward for 5 to 10 minutes at the end of the day, or uh, for a whole class period on a Friday. So that has been my math and science technology app review for Motion Math. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I'm sorry I had a slight cough. I'm not really sure. I took some medicine a couple of days ago, but I'm doing better now. So sorry again about the cough, and I hope you enjoyed the video.